Hey.
She moves a little bit and then it makes the picture. Oh, what a pretty girl you are. What a pretty girl. Caleb just makes her nervous.
There you go, Pickles.
She's not a very good pet.
There you go.
She's not a very good pet. She's not a very good pet.
Aren't you a playful little girl?
Lola. You're not Lola. You're not Lola. I know you're getting hungry, aren't you? Should I feed you? Huh? You want to get some food in you? Would you act better, Don? You stay out here with Mom and your brother, and I'll be back for you in a minute. Exactly.
What did you
eat? For God's sake. Don't
What
wait.
did you smell? Yeah, it's time to eat. You're getting some num-nums.
See, with her, what I do right away, I come in at 9:30, and she's not supposed to be fed until 10.
You like that purple
I
bead.
go ahead and feed her right away at 9:30 when I come in. So it's a half hour sooner, because then right afterwards then I put the vegetables, or shortly after I put the vegetables in there, so she's more receptive to the vegetables.
Yeah.
So,
Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah. Is that worth your veggies? It's not worth a little bit.
Should we show everybody your orange? Can I have your wing? Can I have your wing? Wing? Good girl. Good girl.
Yep.
Good aiming.
There you go.
Good aim.
Shoot.
You're just going to keep pooping, baby.
Yeah.
Like